Today I will talk about a list of awesome websites that will pay up to $500 per article for technical content. These days, technical content is in high demand. Many businesses and the media are seeking technical content writers to contribute to their blogs. These businesses aim to provide as much material as possible to enhance website traffic and, of course, gain clients. You'll already have a lot of technical expertise and be familiar with at least a few technologies as a developer. As a result, writing technical material for these firms will be easy for you, especially if you already have a blog that you can use as a portfolio. Writing technical articles for a living is an excellent method to supplement your income. The majority of magazines pay varied prices per piece based on a variety of parameters. I'll provide you with a list of websites that pay you to produce technical material in this post. So let's get this party started. Tutorials Point, $500 per article. You may post on a variety of technical topics on Tutorials Point. You may also select a topic from a list. It generates and distributes self-learning content for IT professionals and others, such as tutorials, instructional information, and videos. Newsbreak. The #1 local news aggregator in the United States, delivering up to the minute local news that matters to residents and communities across the country, according to Newsbreak. They offer a guaranteed payment of $1,000 per month, as long as you meet certain requirements. DigitalOcean, $300 per article. DigitalOcean allows you to contribute your expertise while both earning money and helping a tech-related charity. Yes, you may choose a tech-related charity that deserves a DigitalOcean gift. When it comes to writing subjects, they accept a wide range of topics like cloud hosting, open-source software, software development, and more. Medium. Payout based on member read. Medium is an open platform where readers can discover dynamic ideas and where both established and emerging voices may publish their work on any subject. You may earn roughly $200 if your 11-minute story has 1,000 views and 100% reading time. However, the reading time is less than 30%, and you receive roughly $60 for 1,000 views for 11-minute length stories. For every 1,000 views, you may expect to earn $15 to $30 if your tale is a 5-minute read. Auth0, $400 per article. Developers can publish relevant technical material for Auth0 users through a program offered by Auth0. For example, you may write on frameworks, programming languages, and development approaches. They also provide a topic selection from which to choose. Hub Pages. Hub Pages is a collection of websites where individuals can share their hobbies by writing about them. Hub Pages compensates you for both the traffic to your hubs and the traffic you send to other people's hubs. LogRocket, $350 per article. LogRocket is searching for enthusiastic engineers and technical writers to contribute articles on front-end development. They're particularly interested in lessons on React, JavaScript, Vue, front-end performance, UI, UX, and other topics. Before they accept you, all you have to do is present them with a portfolio of pieces you've written in the past. Circle C, $300 per article. You may join Circle C's writer program to produce technical material for them. When you are accepted, you will be given a selection of themes to write about. You may also look at their blog to discover what kind of content they provide. CSS Tricks, $250 per article. CSS Tricks is also searching for guest authors to contribute to their website. They mostly publish CSS content, however, they do offer a list of themes on which you may write. You may also propose a topic and write about it if your proposal is accepted. As you can see, these are some of the websites for which you may write and be compensated for your efforts. As a result, it's an excellent method to hone your talents while also earning some additional cash. Thank you for taking the time to read this article. I hope it proves to be beneficial to you. Don't forget to follow me for more content in the future.